Good morning.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you, Mr. Edwards?
Not too bad, ma'am.
That's good. Good to see you again.
Yeah, just as we said.
Yeah.
I just hope the car was never making this something. Yes, sir.
All right, guys. So I'm at my mother-in-law's house, Miss Phyllis. We're gonna go drop some stuff off. Let me get the bag. Close the door for me. Ready? Let me get the bag. The car lock. Yes, guys. So that's what we do when we come to Jamaica. Is we make the rounds and we give our loved ones something because they deserve it. They deserve it. And it's always good to share and share alike. Morning, morning, morning. Marsha, it open? Open the gate for me. Push the lock, push your hands around, open the lock, she said.
Oh.
Open the lock. Who is that? Is that my other returning resident?
No. Wait, let me call my name again.
Miss Return, Miss America?
Miss Lyrics.
Good morning, ma'am.
Because you don't say that. Miss Lyrics, yeah.
Good morning. Your son sent back for you. And your daughter.
I'm alright. They must send me again.
They send your stuff.
Thank you, darling. Just I read the Psalms out of my Bible. I'm just go for no water from. That's Thursday and that's it.
You read Psalm out of your Bible?
Let me know what's up.
Yeah, man, we have to celebrate that chapter a day.
Yes. Chapter a day, right?
Satan and devil, everything for your body.
Exactly.
Where is the water now?
We don't get none from last week. I think I found.
In a tank.
We don't use the tank water because the tank really want clean out. The water really.
Oh, the road water you have?
Yes, the water coming at the end.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you don't know, you know, they're making me have to go talk to Hopi.
Okay, so you look like you come from LA, so. In your do-rag and your. Yeah, you look like gangster.
I'm Mars.
You look.
One of them take the woman and go here and take me make papi show.
Ready? She look like gangster.
Hopi, anytime you see this and your wife out there take me as papi show. Before you come and call him life, I do like you.
Actually, you see me mash down and look body, I take a picture.
No sir. You are the best you look.
Best me ever.
Foreign coal never good for you.
Look how me turn around and down.
No sir.
You know, see how Vienna sin take me.
No sir. Foreign coal that mash you up.
Oh, it's like equal to me.
All right, don't want to be foreign. We don't want no foreign.
Oh my God.
Auntie Phyllis, we don't want no foreign argument. We don't want no foreign. Hey, we are doing money water, you know.
Oh
So,
God.
we don't.
I remember go see Marsha. Marsha. Hi guys, you see how Jamaica life nice? Look how Jamaica life nice. Marsha, you're on candid camera, honey.
Andrea!
Say
What's up?
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi to YouTube. That's Marsha, guys.
So what's up?
If you big up Marsha, Marsha take care of it every time we come to Jamaica.
every
Marsha
day,
take care of it. Right, Marsh? Me there. No, so I have to come
You have to come look for we know.
look and see what's going on, what's up.
You know, we have to look at catchment.
Right. Harvest water, that's what it's all about.
Yes.
You harvest your water, you grow your food, people. You harvest your water, you grow your food, so you don't have to depend on the system. You take care of yourself. You grow what you eat, and you eat what you grow. Let me go see what's going on in the back here, Marsh.
Phyllis,
Right? Look,
Así
it's
la
a sugar cane.
cara.
There's sugar cane. Yeah, can get some sugar cane. We don't have to buy. There's a lot. There's a lot we don't have to buy, guys. Here in Jamaica, you don't have to buy a lot, right? You grow everything. You grow everything. There's a lot you don't have to buy, huh? So breadfruit up on tree. Yeah, there's breadfruit. Yeah, banana. See, we have a lot of bananas. We have a lot of bananas. Yeah. And so we have mango. So we have mango. This is common mango. You see, they're not ripe up yet. But there's a lot of mangoes, guys. A lot of mangoes. And look at that. Wash your clothes and put out on the line. And the sun come and dry it. Walk with a nice so. Huh? Walk with a nice so. Yeah. That's it. That's the life, guys. Come on home, guys. Come on home. All right. Remember, subscribe to the channel. And let's grow together. And guys, if you can come home, come on home. All right? All right. Until next time. Bye-bye.